Morning, morning, morning. Where y'all at? Where y'all? I wanted to take a picture of my little frog. Little frog is gone. Over here by this drain pipe, it's been doing a lot of raining around here. And fish, all the fish done took off. They hiding under the rocks. They got caught in this, all that water. They came through the drainage system. Now they trapped in this water. I wanted to take a picture of my little frog. Went back to get my camera and little frog is gone. All the fish is gone too. They hiding in the rocks. All the fish is gone. Oh well, I missed them. Should have had my camera on me. All the fish hiding under the rocks. Boom, boom, boom. Can't scare them out. Oh well. Be right back, y'all. I'm gonna try to do a quick video.